Welcome to HB classes. This is Haribabu. Today I am going to explain one more sum from the tangents. Now look at here. In the given figure, PQ equal to QR. The length of PQ equal to QR. Already they marked it. So RQP is 68. RQP is 68. So this angle is 68. Now PC and CQ are tangent to the circle. These two are the tangents. When these two are the tangent, the lengths of the tangents are equal. Remember that. So to understand this, we need to watch the first video in the tangents. The lengths of the tangents are equal. We need to find the QOP. So now what I am going to do, I will take the triangle PQR. In triangle PQR and triangle PQR. Now look at carefully. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, opposite to them, the angle should be same. Opposite to them, the angle should be same. Because PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now vertical angle is 68. Now we need to find both the base angles. We need to find both the base angles. For finding this, now what I am going to write it, angle PRQ equal to angle RPQ equal to 180 minus 68 divided by 2. So this is the vertical angle. These two are the base angle. Base angles are equal. So that is why I am writing as a PRQ RPQ equal to, from 180 if I remove the 68, then I am going to get the value for this. So this is how much you will get, the 112. 112 means you will get what? What is the value you are going to get? 58. So now this 68 we have removed from the 180. When you remove from the 180, then you are getting is 112. 112 divided by 2, you will get the 56. 56. Are you following it? Otherwise, write one more step. 112 divided by 2, that is, you will get the 56 degrees. Now, this angle is 56. This angle also 56. Now, we'll come to the first one. So, what is the first one we need to find? QOP. QOP. This angle we need to find it. So I have explained in the previous chapter of the circles. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So that means to find the center angle, whatever the angle is there at the circumference, this will be double of that. This concept we have learned in circles. If you have any doubts, you can watch the previous video. So 112. This is the 56. Here you are going to get the 112. Because if the circumference is the 56, center angle is going to be double. So that is, we can write it as a 112. The reason we'll write as an angle at center is twice angle at circumference. Twice angle at circumference. So according to this, we got this angle is 112. So in the first video of the tangent, I have explained the center angle, exterior angle equal to 180 degrees. So according to that, then I can consider angle POQ plus angle QCP equal to 180 degrees. Because center angle, exterior angle is going to form as always 180 degrees. So we need to find the QCP. I am keeping one side of the equal. POQ. POQ is how much we got it? 112. This 112, you take other side. 180 minus 112. So that means POQ value, I have substituted 112. Then I have taken other side. Then what I am going to get, QCP equal to 180 minus 112. That will be 68 degrees. That is going to be 68 degrees. Now listen carefully. First, what we have done here, we know the vertical angle. So then we got it as a base angle. By using as an isosceles triangle formula, we got the base angle as a 56. So angle at the center equal to angle at the circumference. According to this concept, we got the center angle is the 112. The center angle, exterior angle is going to form it as a 180 degrees. 112. We know that is we are removed from the 180, then we got the 68. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.